What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level, dynamic and interpreted programming language that is widely used for creating interactive and dynamic content for the web. Initially, it was developed by Netscape in the mid-1990s. JavaScript has become one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web alongside HTML and CSS. JavaScript is executed line by line by the browser JavaScript engine. That means when we write JavaScript code, it is executed by the browser JavaScript engine step by step. Common uses of JavaScript. JavaScript used in the web development. Primary for we can say that it is used mainly for front-end web development. Nowadays it is also used in server-side development like Node.js. We can use JavaScript in game development or mobile application development. In mobile application development, like React Native framework, we actually use JavaScript. So React Native framework is based on JavaScript. So we can say that on the mobile development technology, JavaScript has a role. In the game development technology, that means the browser game development technology, JavaScript and HTML5 is also used. So another thing is desktop application. Tools like Electron allows developer to create cross-platform desktop app using JavaScript. That means we use Electron to create cross-platform desktop app. So this is the summary of JavaScript, and this is the JavaScript. So thank you.